Hey everybody, today we are going to make an open world where you can let sprites talk to each other, and now we'll begin. First we'll click on blocks and the project will open. We'll rename it an open world. Then we can have this bear or we can choose a cat and I can delete it. Here's Then I will make a new sprite, paint. First, we will click on the square. First, we'll convert it to bitmap, this one. And we'll click on the square and choose a color that is nearly to gray. Not very gray. And you'll make a square. Then we will click paint and the color green. This one. And you'll paint like bushes. My paint is not so good. I'm trying. And of course, they must be closed from all sides. And here it's not closed. I closed it. Now we will fill them by dark green. I'll choose a darker color and now I'll fill it. Oopsie. Here I didn't close this one, so we'll go to paint and choose this one and I'll close it. Then I will fill again. I have finished, and of course you can do many shapes more than that. Now we will rename it as a map and we'll go to books. Then we must let this map go to the back layer, because if it didn't go to the back layer we won't see the cat. So we'll go to the map, events, when green flag clicked. It will go to the back layer, click on font and choose back. After that, we want it to move. So when the up arrow key pressed, we will go to the motion category and choose, here. We will copy four times. Now we must change them. So this will be right arrow, left arrow, and down arrow. Down arrow will be 10 and up arrow will be minus 10. Left arrow will be 10 and right arrow will be negative 10. Now, why did we say that the right arrow will be my negative 10 and left arrow will be positive 10? Because here, if we make the map move, it will move right and the character will be moving left. But before we test this, we'll go to the costumes and we will click here and paint. We will draw a very small point here and we'll name it blank costume. After that, we will go to blocks and we will go to the events when green flag clicked. Now there's a trick. This point we have a trick to make the map a very large, very long. So we will go to looks, switch costume to blank costume, and set size to. We'll change it into 1000, and then copy this block and switch costume to map. Let's see. The map is very big now. And now when we make the map move right, the character moves left. Let's see. Up, left, down. It works. Now we want to add a character so the cat sees this character and talks to it. So let's now do a new character. Now we will duplicate this map sprite and we'll go to costumes. We will delete map but we'll still use the blank costume because it will help us with the trick. Then we will paint a new costume. It will be very small and convert to bitmap. Now we will draw. You can draw anything you want and I will make brush 1 and I will change the color into this. It can be anything you want. Now, and now this is the character. I will fill it with a darker color or maybe a lighter. Now it's good. We'll name it Pet, and we will. You can change the place of it. You can put it here, put it here, any place you like. Now we will see it here with the cat. But of course, there are things that we need to change. We will delete this because we don't want it to go to the back layer. And we'll switch it to the blank costume and set size to 1000, then pets. Now we'll try. Now let's see. Here's it. Here are our pets. Now we will say that when this sprite clicked, we can let it say hello for 2 seconds. And there's something that when green flag clicked, go to 0, 0. Now let's try. We'll click on the pets. It says hello for 2 seconds. Hope you enjoyed the video, and if you like the video, take a like and subscribe. Bye.